Hello, lovely humans. I am going to give you a quick sneak preview of the Cyclical Embodiment Membership Collective that we are starting here on October 28th, the new moon. So here we are inside of the membership, and I'm going to just show you a little bit about how it works and what will be available for this first lunar cycle. So every new moon, there will be a new cycle to come out. And as you will see here, we see the first cycle is the root cycle. And I will show you what will be available within the root cycle. I will expand this so you can see here. We're going to be working on rooting down into our bodies and into the earth, finding that ground underneath us to keep us stable and to help us find our full sense of embodiment before we dive deeper into different themes and topics in further cycles. So it's going to start with a video introduction and a time for us to set intentions for ourselves in moving through the theme of root. There will be a grounding womb meditation. There is an embodied practice of awakening your cervix. There is an embodied practice of earthing. There will be a space to learn how to honor your ancestors and working with the plant medicine mugwort. There will be a grounding spell. There is a Find Your Roots tarot or oracle spread. There is a space for journaling, and there will be prompts provided for you to tap deeper into your intuition. There is a root playlist that will help you embody the theme of root in movement. And then there is a creative corner where we will share our own creations around the theme root, and where we will share inspiration that we find from others, whether that is photos, artwork, poems, songs, whatever helps you feel more grounded and rooted, we will share there. And as well as this full ritual kit you will receive, we close this, there's also a group that is like a Facebook group where you can post anything you want to throughout the entire cycle. You can create polls, you can ask questions, you can just share whatever there is to share, and really connect with each other within the group so that you know you are not alone in this journey of embodiment and cyclical living, that we are here to support and care for one another. Then you will also see under the events column, this will be where I will share the information for our full moon gatherings. So every full moon we will gather in circle together on a live call, and we will be gathering for a community ritual together on the theme, and just for time to get to know one another and sharing with each other. So there you have it, the sneak preview of Cyclical Embodiment, and you can read more about it on my Patreon page, which I will go to now for you. And this Cyclical Embodiment membership is available from starting at $5 on a sliding scale the whole way up to $111 for one-on-one support with me if you feel called to that. But if you just want what I just showed you, the membership portal and the live full moon calls, the suggested prices are $5 and $10 or $15 for the membership and for the full moon circles. I would love to see you there and walk with you along your own journey of embodiment.